Hi guys, welcome to the channel Go When Gone with a series SKP Something. You with me, Bon. Today we gonna take you through the real process behind architectural design. Here's the house the client wanted to renovate the right portion, keeping it minimal but functional with better use of space. We started draft, just a quick concept sketch to visualize form, function, and the initial direction through the Procreate program on the iPad. That sketch become a 3D massing model. This helps us how it play with light, shadow, and proportions. Okay, this is what we got from the client, a rough but useful floor plan drawn on the paper. We took that sketch and began translating it into a proper 2D plan in SketchUp. This is where the structural begins. Quick test for the roof volume, how it sits, where it leans, and how it can open the space. Side by side, you can already see the idea forming clearly. We did a more detailed sketch for the first draft, this time thinking more about flow, usage, and simplicity. That sketch turned it into this, our first real digital draft in SketchUp, modeled quickly but with intention. We mapped the ground and second floor in Illustrator, clean and ready to present. The client want to remove more the second floor, make it lighter, more open. So we cut away more volume in the 3D. Each edit move is closer to her vision. Next, we tackled circulation, designing the staircase for simplicity, safety, and spatial flow. Details came next, modeling handrail, checking spacing, and ensuring the proportion felt right. Draft 2, rendered, export, and ready to review again. And this is the version 3, cleaner plans, refined line, and better layout balance. Now that the concept was solid, we moved it into AutoCAD. This is where drawing gets precise, where every wall, line, and beam needs to be technically sound. We exported an early version of the layout just to check clarity and layout. To make sure nothing was missed, I printed out the drawing on A4 paper and reviewed them by hand, marking tweaks, alignment issues, and labeling adjustments. Sometimes the old school pen helps spotting things that screen doesn't. After that, it was back into AutoCAD to apply every correction. We update the loop axis next, adjusting how it connects with the revised meshing and plan. Then move it into the section drawings, key to showing spatial relation and floor to ceiling dynamics. Here, I'm fine-tuning the beam layout, making sure the load transfer is accurate and efficiency. Elevations and construction details came next, including door window trims, hatching, and section alignment. Every line has a purpose. here is the start of real transformation, demolition at the site, preparing for construction. From sketch to structure, it all begins here. Voila! Subscribe to the channel Go When Gone to the series SKP Something for more behind the screen architecture. Real project, real process. I sure this house will gonna have next episode. Until then, see you next time. Thank you and goodbye.